How would you feel if after watching this complete video and even after listening to me till the very end, you still don't understand what I was trying to say? In other words, what's my point? You don't want your audience to feel that way. But don't worry, I won't let it happen. The point of this video is for you to be clear on why your talk or communication always needs to have a point and how. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Welcome to Grow with Girija, where we learn about public speaking, communication, and life. Today's topic is about our responsibility as a speaker to make sure that our audience at the end of our talk doesn't feel that what was the point. We all have been in those workplace meetings when some senior person comes and talks for hours and hours, and at the end of it, we are more confused than we were in the beginning. Why does it happen? And how can we avoid it? Let us understand it better. What's the point of having a point? Suppose you were talking to your audience about eating healthy. Which one of these two would you prefer to be described as the purpose of your talk? First, eating healthy. And second, 5 foods to include in your diet for good health. In my opinion, it will be the second one. Why? Let me explain the differences first. The first one, when I say eating healthy, is a generic way of saying it. Whereas 5 foods to include is something specific. As humans, we want information to be able to take action. And we can take action only when the information is specific. That is what having a point in your talk is about. A specific information or some action for your audience. The question is how to do that. Actually, it's very simple. Even before you start drafting the content of your talk, first define the specific purpose of your talk, which is one sentence which the audience will remember after your talk. For example, today's video, my specific purpose is why to have a point in your talk and how. Once you have defined that specific purpose, it will help you in organizing and structuring your talk. Why? Because anything which does not support your purpose can be changed or removed. And when you start speaking, make sure to let your audience know about this purpose right in the beginning. I have seen speakers who lose their audience because they wait too long to tell the audience what their talk is about. Don't do that. Once you have mentioned this purpose, make sure to live the promise and give the information to the audience which you said you would. And finally, the takeaway of your talk. Hope I have fulfilled my promise in this video. As you can understand, any talk, any communication is about providing clarity to your audience. And that is possible only when you are clear yourself. Like only a clear mirror can reflect clearly. So next time when you're out there communicating, talking with others, make sure you are clear about your point. Otherwise, your audience will keep wondering at the end, what was the point of this speaker? Did you find something useful in today's video? Share your feedback in the comment section. If you liked something, share it with others and like this video and subscribe to my channel to support it. I'll see you in another video of Grow with Girija. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing and keep growing because change is inevitable but growth is optional.